Hi YouTube, it's Robert here, M1DYS, and today's little project, I'm going to make a patch lead. I want to do away with the Yaesu MH31 stock microphone, and what I want to do is have a dabble with a Plantronics PC headset with a boom microphone. I've been told by several amateur radio operators that the audio response on these PC headsets is extremely good, but of course you can't just plug them straight on to your radio. They do need to be adapted. The PC headset of course comes with 3.5mm plugs like this, and if you look at the front of the radio, if I can just point the you'll see that there is a 8-pin microphone socket and a 1/4-inch headphone socket, so that isn't going to fit, and so you need to make a patch lead. And also, because the PC headset has an electret microphone, it requires a little bit of voltage power to work. So I've been to Maplin, I bought a little box, and I've got two 3.5mm chassis sockets, packet of resistors, and here is the 8-pin microphone socket and a 1/4-inch headphone socket. And I'm going to go and get some Cat 5 cable and make up the interface. So I've been out to the stores, in other words the shed, and I've got myself a length of Cat 5 cable there. Well, I don't need all of that. I'm going to cut it to length and make a few modifications, drill some holes in the box for the two 3.5mm sockets, and let's get this little baby assembled. We've done the assembly of the lead. Don't know if you can see that so well. On this end is the 8-pin mic plug, and obviously the 1/4-inch headphone plug. Note, this is only a mono plug. You can use a stereo plug, but of course the radio is only producing mono anyway, so it doesn't matter. All I've done is just connected. Let's see if I can get that sleeve back off. All I've literally just done is connected the left and right head. Now you can't see it so well there, but I've just literally connected the left and right together to produce a mono output. And in there of course it's just I'm not using on this, I'm not using the push to talk, and I'm not using the up and down buttons. There are some very nice interfaces out there on the internet, and I will flash up the websites of where to get the further information. There are some interfaces out there that have mic gain circuits built into them, and using the up down buttons, and indeed built-in push to talk buttons as well. But I'm going to be using the either the Vox or the Mox on the radio, or indeed a foot switch, so I don't need it built into this very basic interface. And indeed this is only the Mark 1 version, so I might come up with something a little bit more elaborate next time around. But just up at the other end, you see where I've drilled the two holes for the 3.5 sockets there. This one is for the headphones, this one is for the microphone. No modification at all needed on the headphone side, because you're literally just going straight through from the headphone socket to the headphones. On the microphone side, as I said earlier, there is a power supply required to drive the electret microphone. So what you do is you just hook up on my particular Yaesu, you just hook up on a pin number 2 for a 5-volt output, and just couple that to the microphone via a 4K7 resistor. and you need to just pop a little, you can see where I burnt the box with the soldering iron there, nobody said I was clever. You just need to hook in a little capacitor there to try and keep the RF out of the circuit, and yeah, you definitely need it, because RF is a problem using PC headsets on an amateur radio. But I've used this, I've bench tested this, I've tested it on air, and I'm going to flash up a website address of some, I've done some audio comparisons and uploaded them to the web. The website should be up around about now, and you can listen to the difference between the stock microphone and the Plantronics microphone, and also I've tried a couple of other PC headsets, and the results are, well, how shall we say, they definitely make a difference to the stock microphone, but it's going to need a little bit of setting up using the audio settings, the mic gain on the rig, and also the equalizer settings on the rig as well, because the Fox Tango 950 that I'm using has got its own inbuilt TX equalizer, and all those audio recordings are based on a flat equalizer, so no compression, no manipulation whatsoever. But anyway, that is the patch lead for hooking up a PC headset to an amateur radio, a Yaesu amateur radio. Okay, YouTube, Ed1DYS signing with you till next time.